Something big might be brewing, and if you're not watching closely, you could miss one of the smartest accumulation windows of the year. Welcome back to TJ Crypto World, your go-to source for deep crypto analysis, smart trading strategies, and behind-the-scenes market insights. I'm TJ, and today we're diving into a move that's turning heads in the Kaspa community. The price of KAS has dropped, but massive wallets are doubling down, not backing out. Is this the calm before the storm? Stick with me till the end of this video as we break down what's happening, what the charts are telling us, and why this moment could shape the next big Kaspa rally. Before we go further, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Your support is what fuels this community, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. In just a moment, we'll look at real on-chain whale activity, analyze the long-term trend line that has predicted Kaspa's biggest rallies, and dive into exchange funding data that suggests smart money isn't afraid, they're positioning. Now let's break this down. Kaspa's price hits $0.070, but whales aren't worried. Right now, Kaspa is hovering around the $0.070 mark. For many new investors, that's an alarming dip. But for those tracking the biggest wallets in the ecosystem, it's a green light. According to on-chain data reported by Kaspa Daily, wallet number 5 added 3 million KAS, wallet number 7 bought 2 million KAS, wallet number 9 scooped up 3.4 million KAS. These are not quick flip traders. These are large holders with long-term strategies. When whales make moves like this during a downtrend, it usually means one thing: they see strength that hasn't yet played out in the charts. Why are whales buying now? The answer lies in both price levels and technical structure. Kaspa has returned to a long-standing trendline that's been supporting price since early 2023. This trendline isn't just a visual marker, it's a proven liquidity zone. Every time the price dips toward this level, it has historically sparked a rally. That's exactly what happened before the big run-ups in Q3 2023 and again in early 2024. Whales know this. They've seen the pattern. And they're using it. Funding rates are still positive. Now here's where things get even more interesting. Even though price has pulled back, funding rates across major exchanges remain positive. That means traders are still paying to hold long positions, expecting the price to go higher. Tell us. Confidence hasn't left the market, it's just being masked by short-term fear. While the charts show red candles, the sentiment among sophisticated traders is still leaning bullish. Retail fear versus whale confidence. Let's compare the psychology at play here. Retail investors often sell into fear. They see a red chart and assume it's over. Whales, on the other hand, buy blood. When prices touch known support zones, they step in and quietly increase their positions. That's exactly what's happening right now. The wallets accumulating millions of KAS are betting that the trendline will hold, and history is on their side. Technical analysis, the trendline that matters. This level is significant because it's not just a random technical detail, it reflects real buyer interest. Large players consistently re-enter the market when price gets this low. It's their signal, and it could be yours too. Is this the start of the next leg up? While no one can guarantee the exact timing of a rebound, all the elements are in place. Whale accumulation suggests strong hands are preparing for a move. Positive funding rates show traders still expect upside. The technical setup is mirroring previous pre-rally conditions. And Kaspa's long-term fundamentals remain intact. This isn't just hope, it's pattern recognition backed by data. If you're finding this breakdown valuable, now's the time to hit that like button and subscribe to TJ Crypto World. We bring you real-time market insights without the fluff, so you can trade smarter, not harder. Drop a comment below. Are you accumulating KAS or waiting on the sidelines? Let's get a conversation going. Now, let's move into the final insight. Could this be the final shakeout before liftoff? Big rallies often begin with fakeouts. A dip that shakes out weak hands right before the next leg up. Kaspa's current structure hints that we could be in exactly that phase. Think of it like a slingshot: the more it pulls back, the more explosive the release. The price has returned to support, whales are adding, and market sentiment hasn't flipped bearish. If KAS can hold this level and break above short-term resistance zones, we may not be far from the next major push. This is the moment to pay attention. Crypto moves fast. If you wait until momentum returns, the best prices might already be gone. But those who track the signs early, like whale accumulation, funding trends, and historical support, are usually the ones who ride the next breakout. Kaspa may be down in price, but its ecosystem is far from weak. The smart money sees value here, and they're moving accordingly. So to wrap it all up, Kaspa's current dip is shaking out the impatient, but the big wallets are doubling down. Positive funding rates, strong technical support, and historical patterns all suggest we could be nearing a major reversal. This could be one of the most strategic moments to accumulate, if you're in it for the long game. Thank you for tuning into TJ Crypto World. If you enjoyed this analysis, check out my other videos where we dive into market signals, breakout setups, and high potential altcoins. Like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you're the first to catch the next crypto play. Next time, stay smart, stay patient, and I'll see you in the next one.